Good morning, ka-blessed. Let's open our vlog. For our today's vlog, may parcel na naman tayo. Tada! Suki na. Suki na eh. But it looks like it's not from him. Not Timo name from the box.
They have another. I just filling in all the details here, so I have a look later.
Okay. Bubuksan natin ang ating parcel, mga ka-blessed. Itong sa akin. Itong kay Daddy. Baliktad. Too small. Mine is huge. I know. Yung jacket pala. That's why. It's big. Big. Dito tayo sa labas mag-open na naman ng ating parcel. Pataalis na ni ngayon. Hindi na lang. Kasi may parcel na dadating. Oh, Moana shoes. Ah, excited yan. Oh, yes. Moana's pajamas. And our jewelry box. Pangalagayan ng gagamba. Daddy, oh, lagayan ng gagamba. Oh. Oh, tao yan.
So once you get in there, it's apparently it's working.
Ah, pantulog ni Moana yun, Nikon. Size 5. Size 5 ito.
No. Yippee-yay-yay. Let's have a look.
Oh, excited yan. Yay! Moana shoes. Pantulog. And Moana shoes. Yes!
Oh, they look big. Hmm?
Yeah, they look good. Ang boots niya. Winter yan. Dadan! Saka na naman tayong surprise sa kanya, ma'am. Ah, like this lang. Style lang pala. Ganyan lang. Tapos, she can do it by her own.
It's modest.
Ang parcel ni Daddy, puro gadget. Ay, how do you call it?
For the microphone.
Para set up sa ating microphone. Yay! Let's sing na! Concert!
Microphone and the stand adapter.
Concert na tayo, ka-blessed! Oh, the clip.
The packet small, you don't need a...
Ay, ang cute. Wow. Para sa cable natin doon sa ating office. Hi, ang cute, excited yan. Wow, this one is nice. Look at this, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yay! Kasi nga, yung pantulog ni Moana ngayon, they're small na. It's small na sa kanya and short. Ano pa yun eh, nung last year, 2022? 2022 pa yun, mga damit na napantulog na yun. Sayang, oh. And then, let's I put it on down dito. Si Kaya tonight. Oh, daddy's ano, pantalon ni daddy. Ano pa, basta mapantalon. Uy, wow.
I think I fit. It's big.
Just around home, right? Ready na to fishing.
You can put it on the other side.
Ready to fishing. Then, buwanas. Pantalo sa buhok na may style. May design. Paganahan sa magpatali ng kanyang buhok. Ayan, mga ganyan. Oh. Labas natin para makita din. Yun, like this. Ang cute lang. Hindi kasi pwede hindi sa talian pag nag-i-school. Napapunta sa mukha niya yung buhok niya, naiirita, naiinis. And I have mini. Ayan. Iba-iba yan, baka sa damit. Yan oh. Iba-iba yung pinili ko. Mga luma naman na ito. Ayun pala. Bumili ako ng mas malaki-laki pa.
Light as it is, as narrow as it is.
What?
Can't even put my hand in the pocket.
My goodness. Yeah.
Here it's just,
This is short pa.
it's short. This is already low. It just hangs on my bum.
Di mo pa mo.
If you put it normal, like you should put like normal. Nice height.
Tokom. Oh my God.
I don't know who fit it, but I got it. What size is that?
Bibili ako ng malaki-laki. 5. Ayan. Number 5. Kasi yung binili natin sa kanya dati is number 4. Maliit. Nakikita yung kanyang ayan. And then, ang books ni Moana. Ayan. Bumili ako ng book sa kanya. Yan na, ganito na. Tracing. Ayan o. Since mahilig sa magsulat-sulat ka, blessed, ayan. Nung una, hindi pa niya maintindihan, naiinis siya. Dun sa mga nabili ko sa kanya dati. Ngayon, nai-enjoy na niya. Moana's dress. Oh. Uy, ang liit. Wow. Ang liit, size 5. Ayan. Egg shaper. Ayan. Ganahan naman kumain ng itlog. Ayan. Magluto ka ng itlog, igaganyan mo na. Doon mo ilagay ang itlog. Tingnan mo sa kawali. fashion.
Then you can make out how you want to put your phone.
Oh, yeah, that's nice. Yung mga kahikawan natin na malalaki. And the jacket.
Mhm.
Wow.
Oh, that's good.
Yes. May pang winter na naman tayo. Oh, fit.
Yeah, that looks good.
Let's see that. Let's fit everything. Me too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good you want.
Yeah. It's like ano to? Raincoat.
Yeah.
Pasampahin. This is nice because this one.
Yeah. Inside pocket. That one.
Nothing. Would be nice no? If there is inside pocket.
Yeah.
But still good pa rin. Tara, let's go camping. Small. Yun na itsura niyan. Oh, ha? Yay!
Oh.
Yeah!
And then the black. Like this. It's the same thing. You could put a nut in it if you want,
Don't make a knot.
instead of these.
Would be nice, no? The knot. Oh. They have already.
I never like it. But it's up to you what you like or not.
Whew, it's warm nga. Wow. I-clip sa table. Diyan ang camera.
Yeah. Or on the handle in the car. That's where I bought it for.
Sa sasakyan pala ito. Oo nga. Yes. To the car. Oh.
But also found that you could put it on your window.
Hmm.
Keep it on the window. I found another one too with a round. Maybe that clips more around that handle. Because these shock knobs that just fall down, you know.
Yeah. Pag it's too...
It's nice, but it's just doesn't
It's hot.
last.
Yeah.
Well, that
Meron
is
na tayong pang vlog. Doon ilalagay sa handle sa
that just
sasakyan.
clips and it works.
Ayan na siya.
And then you can put it with Bluetooth, and you can connect. I don't know how to connect it. I couldn't really see it on internet yet.
So, dito namin sa nilagay sa camera stand. Para mas stable siya. Ayan. Kasi kung doon kasi sa sarili niyang holder.
So you get one of these.
Hindi masyado mapifit.
So this goes to your phone.
Wow.
And that one goes to charge.
Ah, okay. This is now. Now.
That's what I think.
For the boys.
Yeah, and then or this one goes because this can go to laptop.
So, yung ating pag-testing sa ating sound check, hindi siya kagandahan. Ngayon, si Ama ang uoperahan. He's going to check ano ang diferensya. Maybe there's something wrong.
This one is just don't.
Kasi ano siya nag-ground.
This one is don't. Doesn't come out.
Oh.
See?
Ano ba yan?